Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Anissa Larasati. I'm from 5BD class. Today, I want to present it about interpretation of data. The definition of interpretation of data. Data interpretation is the process of reviewing data through some predefined processes which will help assign some meaning to the data and arrive at the relevant conclusion. It involves taking the result of data analysis, making inference on the relation study, and using them to conclude. Why data interpretation is important? The purpose of collection and interpretation is to acquire useful and usable information and to make the most informed decision possible. Data collection and interpretation provides limitless benefit for a wide range of institutions and individuals. There are three overviews of interpretation data. The first is summarizing data, second displaying result, and third interpretation of result. But today I want to describe about summarizing data. What is summarizing data? Summarizing data is the term data summarization refers to presenting the summary of generated data in an easily comprehensible and informative manner. Summary statistics that are used for summarizing step data. There are three. The first is prevalence, second is mean, and last median. For prevalence is the proportion of a population who have a specific characteristic in a given time period. Prevalence is related mathematically to incidence. When the incidence of disease is stable over time, such as in the absence of epidemics or change in treatment effectiveness, prevalence or P is the product of incidence or I and the average duration or D of the disease or condition. This is the formula of prevalence. For example, the prevalence of type 2 diabetes among children aged 2 until 12 equal the number of children aged 2 to 12 years with type 2 diabetes divided by the total number of children within that age range. The second is mean. Mean provides the average of a set of value and is used for normally distributed variable. The third is median. Median provides the midpoint of a set of value and is used for non-normally distributed variable, such as time spent in physical activity. The example of mean. To calculate the average, we add up all the numbers for a variable and then divide by how many numbers there are. Put another way, the average or mean is the sum divided by the count. For example, in the example dataset below, we have information about the names of some animals. This is the animals. We also have measurement of the height of each animal. This is the age of each animal. The dataset has two variables, name and height, and 5 observations. Here the dataset. To calculate the average height in centimeter, we sum up all the value and divide by the total count of the observation. For average height, we add all this data and divide by how many animals in this table. In this table there are 5 animals, so we divide with 5 and this is the answer. So the average value for height is 171.4 centimeter. Next is example of median. The formula for working out the median depends on the ranks of the value. You want a value whose rank in the like this. This is the formula of median. For example, if you have an odd number of value in your sample, the median is simply the middle value. For example, this is a 5 number. There are 4, 6, 7, 8, and 9. The median is 7 because 7 in the middle of this number. And also with the second example, like this. The next is data interpretation problems. The first is correlation mistaken for causation. Refers to the tendency of data analysis to mix the cause of a phenomenon with correlation. It is the assumption that because two actions occur together, one causes the other. This is not accurate as action can occur together absent a cause and effect relationship. 2. Confirmation bias. Occur when you have a theory or hypothesis in mind, but are intent on only discovering data patterns that provide support while rejecting those that do not. 3. Irrelevant data. As large data is no longer centrally stored, and as it continues to be analyzed at the speed of thought, it is inevitable that analysts will focus on data that is irrelevant to the problem they are trying to correct. Okay guys, thank you for your attention. Thank you.